So welcome back people. In this video, we will see about the arithmetic operators that we have in Python. These are essentially the same arithmetic operators that we have in math. For example, we can add, subtract, multiply, and so on. These are few of the arithmetic operators that we have in Python. Plus is for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operator. We'll look into this now. Let us say we print 10 plus 3. So what do you think will be the output? Let's run the program. We have the output as 13. So just like this, we can also subtract or multiply or divide using the arithmetic operators. Technically, we have two different types of division operators. One with a single slash and one with the double slash. So what is the difference between a division with a single slash and division with a double slash? The difference is if we use a single slash, we get a floating point number, that is a number with a decimal point. Let's check that out. As you can see, we have a decimal point number as the output when we divide 10 by 3 using a single slash. Now let's try the same with the double slash. Let's run the code now. As you can see, we get a whole number or an integer as the output when we use double slash for division. We also have a modulus operator that is indicated by percentage sign, and this returns the remainder of division of two numbers. That is, let's say when we divide 10 with 3, we get 1 as the remainder. When we use the modulus operator, we get the remainder of the two remainder when we divide the two numbers as output. Let's check that out. So as I said, the output is 1. And finally, we have the exponent operator, that is indicated by two asterisks. So this indicates 10 to the power of 3. When we run this operator, when we run this code, we have 1000 as the output, which means 10 into 10 into 10, which is equal to 10 to the power of 3. For all the operators that we see, we have an augmented assignment operator. Let me explain what is an augmented assignment operator. Let's say we have a variable called x, and let's say the value of x is equal to 10. Now we have to add a number, say 5, to the value of x. To do that, we will write it as x equal to x plus 5. When Python executes this code, it it is going to evaluate this expression as 10 plus 5 equal to 15, which gets stored in x. So now the value of x is equal to 15. Let's try this out. Okay, we have to print x to see the output. Now if we run the code, we will see 15 as output. We can also use the augmented assignment operator to achieve the same result but with less code. We can type this as x plus equals 5. Augmented assignment operator first adds the value to its right to the variable to its left and stores the result in the variable to its left. So if we run this code, you will see we get 15 as output. Instead of addition, we can also use subtraction, multiplication, and so on. So these are arithmetic operators in Python. Speaking about arithmetic operators, we also have to learn about operator precedence. Let me declare a variable y. First, let's clear the screen and also the terminal. Now let's declare a variable called y. So y is equal to 10 plus 6 into 2. So what do you think will be the result of this expression? Is it 10 plus 6 gives 16, and then which is multiplied by 2 will give 32, or let go like 10 plus 6 into 2 gives 12, then 10 plus 2 will give 22. So which is the right answer? Just like in math, we can have we also have a concept called operator precedence in Python, and this determines the order in which these operators are applied to an equation or an expression. So here multiplication have a higher precedence or higher order, so 6 times 2 gets executed first, which gives the answer 12, which is then added to 10, which gives the answer 22. So correct answer is 22. Now, if we run this code, we have to print it again, then 5. So now if we run this code, we will see 22 as the output. Just like in math, we can also change the precedence of the operator using parentheses. So let's see how that works. Let's say we have an expression 10 plus 3 into 2. So as we said, first 3 times 2 is 6, which is then added to 10, which will give the output as 16. But when we want to add 10 and 3 first and then multiply it by 2, we should put them inside the parenthesis. So now 10 is added to 3 first, and which is 13, and it is divided, that is multiplied by 2, which gives 26 as the answer. Now if we print y, we will see we have to change the expression as 10 plus 3 into 2, which will give 26 as the answer. So in this expression, we want 10 plus 3 to be evaluated first, and then it is multiplied by 2, and answer will be 26. So with this we come to an end for arithmetic operators.